Hello, parents and students. Welcome to Mr. Shannon's 7th grade civics class. Civics is the study of how our government works, how laws are made, the rights and responsibilities we have as citizens, and how we can participate in our communities. This course gives students the foundation to understand not only history and government, but also their role in shaping the future. Throughout the year, students will work through benchmarks and learning goals designed to prepare them for the Civics End-of-Course Examination in May. We expect that students will not only complete all assignments, but also build the skills necessary to succeed on this important test. Each student is expected to aim for a proficiency score of level 3, 4, or 5 on the EOC. Our class goal is for at least 60% of students to reach proficiency or higher. With dedication and support, we believe we can achieve this goal. To help students stay on track, we use tools such as civically correct assessments, Kahoot, Ask Dr. Civics, tutorials, and Conmigo activities. Parents, you can support your child by asking them what they learned in civics each day, checking that assignments in Google Classroom are completed, reviewing assessments with them, encouraging them to study a little each day instead of cramming. Mr. Shannon also holds the record for the highest proficiency in 7th grade civics on the EOC, a result that contributed to our school earning a B rating for the 2024-2025 school year. So you can be confident that your child is in good hands and will be challenged, supported, and equipped to succeed. If you have any questions about your students' progress throughout the year, please don't hesitate to contact Mr. Shannon. Thank you for your attendance tonight. We look forward to an engaging, educational, and exciting school year. Have a good night.